Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear students, welcome today in the uh, today's lecture, and it is the revision lecture of congruence and similarity. So I am going to revise the similarity test today, and I have taught you the three similarity tests, right, in the previous two lectures. So in this lecture I am going to revise again these three similarity tests, inshallah. Then today, inshallah, I will end this topic, and in the next lecture I will start the next topic, that is volume and surface area of volume and surface area of solid figures, right? So my dear students, first of all, the first test is AA test, AA similarity test, right? What this test says, this test says that if the two angles of a triangle are equal to the two corresponding angles of another triangle, then that two triangles are similar triangles, right? So I have drawn a pair of triangles under each head of a test. So I will explain these tests with the help of diagrams and with the help of solutions, right? So in the first question, you can see that A test, we have to prove that whether this first pair of triangles are similar or not, right? So you can see that these two are isosceles triangle, and we know that isosceles triangle have same two sides and have same two angles, right? So these two sides are same, so it means the base angles are also equal. In that diagram also, these two sides are same, so the base angles are equal, right? So here we have 60 and here we have 65, because there is 50, so when you subtract 50 from 180, that is 130, and when you divide 130 by 2, we will get 65. So here in the first question, in the first diagram, sorry, the base angles are 60, the two angles are 60, but in the second triangle the base angles are 65. So in this pair we do not have the two corresponding angles same, right? So according to AA test, according to angle test, this pair of triangle is not similar. So these triangles are not similar triangles according to AA test. I hope that you have understood this revision question. So now move towards the second test, SSS test, side. What this test says, that this test says that if the three ratios of the corresponding sides of one triangle are equal to the three ratios I will be repeating again. If the three ratios of the corresponding sides of two triangles are same, then that two triangles are similar triangles. So you can see that we have a pair of triangle, right? So in this pair of triangle we have three sides given in the two figures. So we have to identify the corresponding sides first, because we do not have the ABC vertices, we do not have the capital letters with the vertices, so it's a bit difficult to identify the corresponding sides, but it's not very difficult. Just I'm going to tell you that how we can identify, that is 22.5 and that is 45. These two are bigger sides in both triangles, so you can see that apparently these look like bigger sides, 22.5 and 45, right? So these two are similar sides, corresponding sides, 22.5 and 45, right? So next, 15 here, 15 and there 30 are the medium length sides, means not smaller not bigger, the medium. So here 50, 15, here 30, so these two are corresponding sides, right? And then last one is the rest of the one side, that is 8 and 15. So when you make the ratios of the corresponding sides, we can see that the three ratios are not same. 22.5 over 45, that is 0.5. Then 15 over 30, that is 0.5. Two ratios are same, but 8 over 15 is 0.53. So it means the three ratios are not same, right? So this pair of triangle is not similar according to SSS test, right? So again, I'm repeating that how can we identify the corresponding sides? 22.5 and then 45. These two are bigger sides in both triangles, so these are corresponding sides and they apparently look like bigger sides. Then 15 and 30 are the medium length sides, these are corresponding sides, and then 8 and 15, these are also the smallest sides, these are also the corresponding sides. So when you make the ratios of these corresponding sides, two ratios are same but one is not equal to the other two, right? So again, this pair of triangle is not similar according to SSS test. The last test is SAS test, side angle side. And my dear students, I have told you earlier in the congruence, when we were studying congruence, that A is in the middle of S and S. So it means that A is the included angle. What does it mean? That A should be between the two corresponding sides. It's very important thing, right? You can see that 110 angle is same in both figures. 110 angle is same, and that 110 angle is between the two corresponding sides, 10 meter, 7 meter, and there 15 meter and 25 meter. So this 110 in both figures is between the two corresponding sides. So this is actually the A is in the middle middle of S, right? SAS. So when you make the ratio of corresponding sides, 7 and 15 and 10 and 25 are the corresponding sides. So when you make the ratio 7 over 15, that is 0.47, and when you make the 10 over 25, that is 0.4. So the angle is same, the included angle is same in both triangles, but the two ratios are not same. So SAS means if the two ratios of corresponding sides and one pair of included angle is same, then the triangles are similar triangles. But here the included angle is same, but the two ratios of corresponding sides are not same. So this is also not a pair of similar triangles. So I hope that you have understood this revision lecture. I am going again the detailed worksheet with this lecture. It is a comprehensive worksheet, so I recommend that do that worksheet, because it has many questions, and if you do that worksheet, inshallah, I hope that you will build up your concepts about similarity, and this lecture will be helpful for you, inshallah. So in the next lecture we will start the next topic. Stay blessed, stay happy. Till then, Allah Hafiz.